10 years ago, IATA digitized the customer record. Now, IATA is driving One Order, a new phase of airline digital transformation. One Order aims to simplify airline reservations and accounting by replacing e-tickets, PNRs, and EMDs with a single customer order record. SAP has created a proof-of-concept solution for a digital customer platform that is integrated using One Order.
One Order will drive the shift to open systems that use modern APIs. It is this shift that enables SAP to position its products as solutions for the One Order landscape. IATA recognised the project as an official One Order pilot, receiving direct technical feedback to further develop the standard.
In the proof-of-concept solution from SAP, order management was provided by SAP Commerce Cloud and SAP Commerce Cloud Travel Accelerator. Order accounting was provided by SAP Customer Financial Management. Ground handling and airport lounge systems simulated service status delivery. SAP Commerce Cloud mastered the flight schedules, inventory, seat maps, products, services, and prices. 7 use cases simulated various end-to-end order and accounting flows.
SAP can deliver the end-to-end vision of One Order. A key takeaway from the pilot was that the data model in SAP Commerce Cloud required minimal changes. That reveals how aligned One Order is with a true retail order management model. This demonstrates why SAP is strategically positioned to provide One Order solutions to airlines.
One Order will deliver many benefits to airlines, their customers, and their partners. Learn more about how SAP solutions can help realize the One Order vision.